If a quadrilateral has exactly one pair of parallel sides, then the quadrilateral is called a trapezoid. In quadrilateral MATH, segment MH is parallel to segment AT. Since quadrilateral MATH has exactly one pair of parallel sides, hence this quadrilateral is called a trapezoid. Once again, a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezoid. Quadrilateral TRAY is a trapezoid since it has exactly one pair of parallel sides. The parallel sides of any trapezoid are called the bases. And in this quadrilateral, the bases are segment RA and segment TY since these are the two parallel sides of quadrilateral TRAY. Since the parallel sides of quadrilateral TRAY are segment RA and segment TY, then we can say that segment RT and segment AY are the two non-parallel sides. These two segments are called the legs. The legs are the two non-parallel sides of any trapezoid. Angle R is formed by the base segment RA and the leg segment RT. On the other hand, angle A is formed by the base segment RA and the leg segment AY. These two angles, R and A, form a pair of base angles. Base angles are pairs of angles formed by a base and legs of a trapezoid. On the case of angles R and A, these two base angles are formed by the base segment RA and the legs segment RT and segment AY. Another pair of base angles is formed by the base segment TY and the legs segment RT and segment AY. These two base angles are angle T and angle Y. From point R to a point on its opposite side, which is point S, segment RS is formed. If segment RS is perpendicular to segment TY, then we can say that segment RS is the altitude of quadrilateral TRAY. The altitude or height is a segment from a vertex of a trapezoid perpendicular to its opposite side. A trapezoid has three types. They are either identified according to the number of equal sides they have and or the measure of their angles. The three types of trapezoid are right trapezoid, Iscalene trapezoid, and isosceles trapezoid. The first type of trapezoid is given by quadrilateral USLT. In that trapezoid, segment US is parallel to segment TL. A pair of its angles are right angles, which are angles U and T. This trapezoid is called a right trapezoid. A right trapezoid has a pair of right angles. Quadrilateral USLT is a trapezoid whose parallel sides are segment US and segment TL. All its angles are not congruent. All its sides are not also congruent. Segment US is not congruent to segment SL, is not congruent to segment LT, and is not congruent to segment TU. This trapezoid is a scalene trapezoid. A scalene trapezoid has no equal sides and has no equal angles. In the figure, segment US is parallel to segment TL, and the two legs, segment UT and segment SL, are congruent. If a trapezoid has congruent legs, then the trapezoid is called an isosceles trapezoid.